Don't move. What is your mother's name?
Mama.
No, you were supposed to say my mother's name is. Live. Where do you live? Where do you live?
Mumbai.
Okay. And what is your favorite food?
Bananas.
Okay. What else?
Orange.
Okay.
Dudu. Or
Dudu.
could be name.
Okay. And what do you like to wear? What kind of clothes?
Couple.
Okay. What kind of? Like what are you wearing? Shoes. Okay. Like, what are you wearing right now? What is this called? What is this? What you're wearing? You're wearing t-shirt.
T-shirt.
And what else?
ठीक है
What? Okay, chaddi and
kapla.
jeans. Jeans you don't like? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No. Don't. What is your favorite hairstyle?
Two ponytails.
Okay, two ponytails. Okay. And you like your father?
You can make him out.
Okay. You like your father?
Yes.
What is your father's name? Your daddy's name?
Daddy.
What is his name? He's having a name? Like your name is Ishal. We call you Ishu. What is your daddy's name? What mama calls your daddy? Mama calls your daddy by name. What is his name? Tell me. You don't remember your daddy's name? Who is Arif?
Mama, ये टूटा हो गया.
Okay. Okay. Who is Arif? Arif. Okay, your daddy? Okay. And who all are there in your family? Can you describe your family tree?
Daddy.
Okay. Mama. And who else?
Could be me.
Nah, you are also there in the family, right? You are also there.
Yes.
Okay. So say baby, me, baby. Okay. Okay.
Baby.
What about your grandfather and grandmother?
Grandmother.
Where does she live? Grandmother? Where is she living?
I don't know.
You don't know? She lives in Gorakhpur?
Yes.
Okay.
I can build.
Don't
Mumbai.
move. I'm making a video, right? You live in Mumbai. I know that. Okay, now tell me, what is the color of your eyes? The lavender color. Okay. What cartoons? Spooky color? Spooky?
Yes.
Are you spooky?
Yes.
Okay. What cartoons do you like to watch? What is your favorite cartoon?
Spooky cartoons.
Spooky cartoons and
Tom and Jerry cartoon.
Tom and Jerry, right? Okay.
And
What else?
Mumbai.
Oh.
And Tom and Jerry cartoon.
What else?
And Queen.
Only Tom and Jerry, and what about Pasha and the Bear? Can you tell me about colors? What are your favorite colors?
Blue
Right.
and orange
Good.
and pink
Good.
and white
Very good. What else? And what else?
white.
White is already done. Brown color.
Brown.
Okay. And what is the color of your lips?
Green.
Green?
Yes.
Green?
Yes.
The color of your lips is pink. It's not green. Okay. Okay. What is color of your hair? What is this color? Black?
Black.
Okay. And who cut your hair?
Daddy.
Daddy has cut your hair. Okay. Okay. What did he said? He said that he will make you a
Better.
he will make you better.
Yes.
Okay. Like a fairy.
Yes.
Okay.
Daddy is better.
That
You
is
like
okay.
Daddy.
Okay. He is like a fairy.
Yes.
Okay. And are you heavy or light? You're heavy or light?
Yes.
You were saying something that I am so heavy.
Heavy. I am too heavy.
You're heavy on me?
Yes.
Okay.
On me, and I am too heavy.
Okay. Now, what else? Your favorite? Can you tell me something about your favorite toys? Favorite toys?
Tiger toys.
Tiger. Okay.
इनका toy कौन-सा कलर का होता है?
Forget about him. Tell me about your toys.
Yes.
Okay. What else? You have dinosaurs.
Yes.
What kind of dinosaurs do you have? How many dinosaurs you are having?
1,
Yes.
2,
Okay.
3,
Okay.
4,
Okay.
5,
Okay.
6,
Yes.
7,
Yes.
8,
Yes.
9, 10, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
5 dinosaurs.
Then after that 11.
11,
Hmm.
12,
Okay.
13,
Okay.
14, 15,
Okay.
17, 18, 19, 18,
19, 20.
17, 19, 20.
Okay. You missed 16 in between.
Yes.
16 was supposed to be in between 15 and 17.
Yes.
Okay.
I am Gulai's here.
Okay. Okay. You tell me about your favorite animal.
Cut, cut.
Favorite animal? You have any favorite animal? Do you like any animal?
I can be Gula.
You can be a ghoda?
Yes.
You can be a horse? Okay. But you are riding on a horse. You are riding on a pillow horse.
Yes.
So, tell me something about humans. Humans, you know? Who are humans? Who are humans?
Daddy,
Yes.
Mama,
Yeah.
Itu.
We all are humans. Okay. Can you tell me something about living and non-living? What is living? Like, is this living? Is this book is living?
No.
This is what? Non-living.
Yes.
Okay. Sit.
TV.
This is non-living.
Yes.
Okay. Mama is living. Mama is living. Mama can breathe.
Yes.
Okay. Ishu can breathe.
No.
Ishu cannot breathe. You're breathing. You're living.
No.
You're living.
No living.
You're not living.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you know ABCD? Do you know ABCD? You don't know ABCD? Oh.
I can know.
You don't know? You know?
Gula gulai.
Okay. He doesn't know ABCD?
I can know.
Okay.
ABCD.
Okay. Tell me.
And will.
Okay. Tell me.
And rest.
Tell me. Tell me ABCD fast. Fast.
ABCD.
Okay. Can you make out? Okay. Can you make out the voice of zombie? How does
Yes.
zombies speak? Yeah. He speaks like this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. How does he look? He looks like this.
Yes.
He looks like this.
Yes.
And what about witch? How does she look? She looks like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What does witch is having? Witch is having what?
I don't know.
You don't know? Witch is having a broom.
No.
She's having a jharu.
Yes.
Okay. Go there. Okay.
I can live in Mumbai.
Okay, you live in Mumbai.
I can win Turkey in the post. In the Turkey? Yes. Your light?
Okay. Now I am feeling very light
Yes.
because you're not sitting on me. You were so heavy.
No, no, no.
Then
I can see Daddy in the mall and push and toys and the toys and the chips. Always princess and books and polite and no pies.
okay.
You want?
Tell me something about Dracula. Dracula is your favorite character. Dracula is having
Yes.
Dracula is having teeth.
Yes.
Do you have teeth like Dracula? Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth.
Yes.
Your teeth are like Dracula?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay. Can you say bye bye?
Bye bye.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera and say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Look at me.